Hi, good morning. It's Mrs. DePietro. I hope you guys had a wonderful spring break. It is Monday, April 13th, and I want to talk to you a little bit about your lessons for today. Okay, here are our lessons. First of all, since it's a new week, we're going to be working on some new phonics words. Found, now, ground, how, house, and plow. And I'll explain more about that in our phonics video today. After phonics, we could do one episode of Head Sprout. Today in reading, we're going to be reading a chapter book together. And we're going to begin by taking a sneak peek. And the book is called Iris and Walter and the Field Trip. So everything's included right here in this video lesson that I made for you. Read for 15 to 20 minutes. I've noticed a lot of you are getting on Raz Kids. Epic is a really great choice. If you haven't tried it, you can get on Clever, go to Mrs. DePietro's page, and click on the Epic icon. It will ask you for a password or a class code, but I put that right there on the bottom of the Epic icon, so you can find it right there if you want to try those books. Also, in writing today, last week or the week before spring break, you created a character and you thought about some problems your character might have. Today, you're going to start writing a story starring your character. I want you to choose one of the problems that you thought about that your character might have. I want you to watch this video. The video link will take you to writing an introduction. So you can watch this video and then begin writing an introduction for your story. You're not writing the whole story today. We're going to take it bit by bit. So today, just watch the video and write an introduction to your story. I hope you guys have an awesome day learning today. As always, I'm here for you. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.